Hi, Super Profers. I'm Gabe. I've been teaching singing for over 30 years, and I work with beginners through advanced singers who want to build real vocal control and confidence. My lessons focus on breath support, pitch accuracy, tone stability, and healthy vocal technique. We also work on head voice development, resonance balance, and performance preparation depending on your goals. Every student receives a clear plan. I don't believe in random exercises. We build skills step by step so you can hear and feel measurable improvement. Whether you're just starting out, returning to singing after time away, or refining advanced technique, I tailor each lesson to your level and objectives. If you're ready to strengthen your voice with structured guidance and consistent progress, I would be more than happy to work with you. Have a great day. Bye bye.